walk to the end of the line. I wonder if I should look back to all of the things that were said and done. I think we should talk it over. Then I noticed a sign on your back. It boldly says try to look away. I go on pretending I'll be okay. This morning it hits me hard that still every day I think about you. I know for a fact that's not your problem, but if you change your mind, you'll find me hanging on to the place where the big blue sky as I stare at the wall in this room, the cracks they resemble your shadow. When every day I see time goes by in my head, everything stood still. I'm waiting for things to unfreeze till you release me from the ice block. It's been floated for ages, washed out by the sea. It's drowning. Thought you should know that. So every day I think about you. I know for a fact that's not your problem, but if you change your mind, you'll find me hanging on to the place where the big blue sky collapses. You see, people are trying.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.